The 2-0 pitch. And he hits it high in the air, deep right field. Going back is Meadows to the wall, looks up. This one is gone. And the Yankees take a 1-0 lead. Well, that is the first run that Brendan McKay has given up in the big leagues. And a brand name got him.
Judge hits that in the air to right and deep. Meadows back on the track, looking up, it's gone. Aaron Judge goes yard in the first, and the Yankees have a 1-0 lead.
First pitch is hit high in the air to deep left center field. This is way back, and this one is gone. A home run for Aaron Judge, and the Yankees take a 5-4 lead. That was a bullet. As Stanek gives up a homer on the first pitch he throws.
He cheated a little bit. He was looking fastball. He got the head out, and that was a line drive.
Judge drills this deep center field and gone. A laser out to center from Aaron Judge. His second long ball of the game. And the Yankees take a 5-4 11th inning lead.